Welcome to Target Tip of the Day. Let's look at how you can achieve two things: improve performance and guide your users in one go with required criteria. Here we have a very simple analysis looking at some very detailed data. We have a long list of invoices here on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we have a slicer for salespeople and another for time, so you can narrow down the criteria. Now, the way we intend people to use this analysis is actually by selecting a time period and a salesperson to track down certain invoices done by that salesperson in that time frame. What we don't want them to do is to scroll through the full table. Furthermore, it's actually not good that we load all those invoices, since we're not going to use them. We just intend for people to add this criteria. So we can actually avoid loading all the invoices and the stress that that causes on the target server, and we can also guide the users by using required criteria. Let's go into design mode. Now I'm selecting my table with invoices on the right hand side, and I'm going to the criteria tab, and I'm going to add some required criteria. I'm going to say that I'm only going to show you those invoices if you select my year-month-day hierarchy. That's the one I used to build this slicer. And if you furthermore select one or more salespeople. And this feature also allows you to make a custom help text, and I've already done that. So custom help text is: please select time and salesperson to see invoices. Let's try and say OK. So now I'm not going to see any invoices when I load this analysis. Let's go into consumer mode. But when I select a certain time period and furthermore a certain salesperson, then I will see the invoices. And when I deselect, of course, Target will just give up on the query and show me this help text. So that's how we use required criteria to improve performance by not loading all the invoices, and guide the users by showing them how we expect them to use the dashboard. That concludes today's Target Tip of the Day. Stay tuned on this channel, stay in touch, and stay safe.